Hey guys, welcome to A to Z Technical Analysis channel. Today we are here to discuss a match between Delhi Capitals and Sunrisers Hyderabad, which is the 11th match of Dream 11 IPL. In this match, we will discuss the Dream 11 team along with probable playing 11 and the technical analysis and the statistics of the match. And in this team, we'll make a nice Dream 11 team for Grand Leagues as well as Small Leagues. So let's go and discuss about probable playing 11 first. Hey guys, this is the probable playing 11 for match between Delhi Capitals and Sunrisers Hyderabad. So as Delhi Capitals have won two matches in a row, we may expect the same playing 11. If Ishan Sharma is fit, then he may replace Avesh Khan. If not, then the playing 11 will be same. And Ravichandran Ashwin is still not fit as of now. So the playing 11 for Delhi Capitals will be like Shikhar Dhawan and Prithvi Shaw will be the openers, followed by captain Shreyas Iyer, Rishabh Pant, Hitmaier, Marcus Stoinis, Akshar Patel, and Rabada is a nice bowler as we have seen him taking wickets in last match. And Andre Notje is the emerging player in the last match. So in Sunrisers side we have David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, Manish Pandey, Priyank Gog, and we may see like in this match Mohammad Nabi might be replaced with Kane Williamson and Vridhiman Saha, followed by Abhishek Sharma, Rashid Khan, Khalil Ahmed and Natarajan. So guys, let's discuss about the statistics in the ground. So guys, this is the pitch statistics. So total matches played is 44 and batting first has won 19 matches in this ground and batting second team have won 25 matches in this ground. So average score is 148 runs and highest total is 225 per 7 and lowest total is 66 per 9. So highest score chased is 166 runs and lowest score defended is 129 runs. So guys, this is the IPL statistics that is head to head between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Delhi Capitals. So totally 15 matches have been played, out of which 6 has been won by Delhi Capitals and Sunrisers Hyderabad have won 9 matches. And there is no tie between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Delhi Capitals. So guys, this is the top pick players for today's match. We have Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer, Kagiso Rabada, Marcus Stoinis, David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, Rashid Khan. And along with this, if Kane Williamson is playing this match, we may include him after the toss. Like once the toss is in, we'll get to know who all are playing and who all are not playing. So based on that, we may modify team. So let's discuss the team based on probable playing 11, so that we may change the team after the match. So guys, let's see like Prithvi Shaw is in good touch in the last match, along with Johnny Bairstow, David Warner, and Manish Pandey is in good touch in last two matches. He scored 35, 45, 50 runs almost. So guys, let's discuss the Dream 11 team based on the statistics which we discuss now. So guys, in the wicket keeping section we have two options, that is Johnny Bairstow and Rishabh Pant, and also we have one more option. We have seen Vridhiman Saha playing the last match, but in this match I will be taking Johnny Bairstow as my wicket keeper and Rishabh Pant as my wicket keeper. So guys, and in the bowling section we have, and in the batting section we have David Warner, Manish Pandey, Shreyas Iyer, Prithvi Shaw and Shikhar Dhawan who is in good touch. So I will be going with David Warner, Manish Pandey, Shreyas Iyer, Prithvi Shaw. And in all-rounder section we have Marcus Stoinis, Mohammad Nabi, Akshar Patel along with Vijay Shankar also. So I will be going with Marcus Stoinis for this match. And in the bowling section we have Kagiso Rabada, Natarajan, Notje and Rashid Khan. So and along with this we have Khalil Ahmed also. So I will be going with Kagiso Rabada, Natarajan and Andy Notje along with Rashid Khan. So guys, this is the team. Like we may go captain as Johnny Bairstow and vice captain as Prithvi Shaw. So guys, this is the team preview for small leagues. We may go with this team as for small leagues. Apart from Prithvi Shaw, we may go Kagiso Rabada as our vice captain as he is playing nicely. We can see the statistics of Kagiso Rabada. He is having 87 points in one match and 62 points in one match. So we can go with vice captain as Kagiso Rabada, or else Marcus Stoinis. So guys, for Grand League we can take Shikhar Dhawan. Instead of Rashid Khan we may go with Mohammad Nabi, and in batting section we may go with Prithvi Shaw. So speaking about captain, vice captain, we may go with Manish Pandey as captain or Johnny Best as captain, or else David Warner as captain and vice captain as Manish Pandey or Prithvi Shaw. So guys, this is the team which we can go for Grand Leagues today. So guys, I will be going with small league team. So I'll be removing Shikhar Dhawan and I will be taking Rishabh Pant, and instead of Mohammad Nabi, I will be taking Rashid Khan. So guys, this is the team. So this is the team preview, guys, for small leagues like Johnny Bairstow, Rishabh Pant, David Warner, Manish Pandey, Shreyas Iyer, Prithvi Shaw, Marcus Stoinis, Natarajan, Rashid Khan. So guys, we may change vice captain to David Warner and captain to Manish Pandey. So guys, once the toss is played and once the playing 11 is out, we may replace Shreyas Iyer with Kane Williamson if Williamson is in today. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.